A party at Western University last weekend. Smaller than in previous years, but in a pandemic big enough to alarm people.
There were, easily to say, dozens of students wandering around, all in large groups, all unmasked.
This student journalist watched it happen. Some party goers showed her videos from inside their residences.
At least 30 of them, all unmasked, crammed into residence hallways, jumping up and down, partying and screaming.
100 students at Western are now under academic review, a sort of probation, at a university that's already counted 70 positive COVID-19 cases. In Kingston, Ontario, people are flagging Queen's University student parties happening off campus, one of them now linked to 5 new cases. Queen's already orders students to stick to their own residence floors. More restrictions could come.
I'm concerned about Thanksgiving, and then later in the month there's a reading week. I'm asking them to consider not having the reading week.
Western maintains that only a small handful of students broke rules, but universities have options for those who keep at it.
There are a range of sanctions that are available to us. They range really from an educational intervention, if we feel that the student would learn through the experience, all the way through to suspension or expulsion if the situation warrants that.
This professor says the punishments shouldn't be too draconian. Her new research suggests the way students live, from communal housing to jobs in the service sector, makes them more likely to spread the virus.
What we want to make sure we're not doing here at Western or in any other community of young people is having them take social activity or parties underground or in basements behind closed doors, and certainly not in close quarters right now.
For now, Hope Mahood is sticking it out.
Right now, not incredibly safe. I don't feel like I'm fully insulated from the virus.
Stressed but determined to keep reporting on student life at a time when what happens on campus hardly stays on campus. Deanna Sumanak Johnson, CBC News, Toronto.